No, no, baby. That's icky. No, no. No, no. That's a nice piece of wood. There's my wood I'm getting for signs. Levi's right here. James. We're at Menards right now. I'm gonna go this way, babe. We're looking at shiplap for our bathroom. This way. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. James and I are just uptown right now. He's cashing his check. We just picked that up from his work. We're getting like a really bad snowstorm here in Michigan. This is like the second day of it. Yesterday was probably the worst day of it. I think they said we got about 10 inches so far. I'm not sure. Not sure what we've gotten, but I know they say it's the worst snowstorm we've had since 2016. So, yeah. Seriously? This truck behind me like almost hit my car parking. It was like inches from it. But James is just over here at the bank and I'm just waiting. We're gonna go home. I'm gonna make BLTs for lunch for us. Levi is in the back seat sleeping. I don't think we have anything really planned today. I was gonna try and do some more signs, but the stencil guy is not open today, so I'll have to get those on Monday and make them then. But I don't know if you guys seen my like short Walmart trip video, but I talked about opening a Etsy store, and I did go ahead and open an Etsy store. I have so far 3 things listed. I don't know how many will be listed when you guys see this video, because I've like 2 weeks in advance uploaded, so by the time you see this there might be more than 3 listings in the Etsy shop. But the Etsy shop name is 913 Creation Co. I will have it in the description box so you guys can check that out. And I think I'm going to give you my YouTube family, like a special discount code. So I'm working on figuring out that right now. So yeah, if there's not a discount code in this description box, I will let you guys know exactly when I put it up and how long it will be good for. So yeah, and if there's ever anything like special excuse me, if there's ever anything special or custom, like a custom sign you guys want to say something certain, just let me know and I will do my best to try and do that for you guys. Did they catch it for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in your little pickup truck? Pick 'em up truck. You want out? Are you done? Are you over it? Did Papa Bert buy you your first truck? Did Papa Bert buy you your first truck? You want out? Whoa, where you going? Or do you just want Mommy's phone? Is that what it is? Okay, Mommy will get you out.
I can suck my own toe.
What were you just doing?
Suck my own toe.
You were sucking your toe?
Yeah, what you watch?
What are you doing? Are you a toe sucker?
Yeah.
He just started sucking his own toe now. James helped him there and there. But before that, he did it all on his own. We have a toe sucker. That's what he's doing right now.
We did the subway kind of striped wall.
What are you doing, crazy?
New tile surround and shower. One of our favorite little things that we love though is this little.
What's up, man?
Storage, but also some practical stuff for your